Yes, we wish to talk about the disadvantages of not connecting an automatic tank full system, or a float switch or a pressure switch, whereby the pump is automatically switched off when the tank is full or when the reservoir is full. Yeah, currently the tank is full. That's why we are seeing an overflow here. Yeah, we are seeing this overflow because the tank is full and it doesn't have an automatic switch off system. Let's see a connected overflow here. Yeah, water is coming here through like this. You put it back, your Benson. Yeah, and it's flowing to some part, to some ditch here. So one of the disadvantages is that you reduce the pumping system service life, because the pump continues to pump even if there is no need. So you reduce the service life for the pump, and it will mean that every day it will be pumping and the tanks will be full. Otherwise, if that kind of system was connected, the pump will be off and you increase the service life for the pumping system. The other disadvantage is that you're reducing the service life of this structure down here, because water might be flowing every day. Even if not every day, but if it is once a week or twice, yeah, it reduces the service life. And also this water, where it's going to reduce the strength of structures constructed downstream, because this water might be flowing almost every day, even if not every day or twice a week. It's reducing the strength of some structures down there, and also it's causing erosion somewhere there. It may also carry some disease-causing organisms and other disadvantages. So it's good to connect a float switch or a pressure switch or any other control mechanism that can switch off the pump when the tanks are full. Okay, thank you for watching.